So yeah, that is that deal. I mean, like based on that, I know it's little information, there's not much comps and stuff. I guess what do you guys think?
Can you go back to the deal analyzing sheet?
Yeah. I want to see because something fucked up here with my formulas. Let me try this one here. Let me try this one better. Okay, so 330.
You have the address there, you do?
Yeah, 1204.
Yeah, can you put it on the Tampa property appraiser? Let's see.
Yeah, that's right. I found something here. Sold for 325. But I'm trying to see what the fuck it is. I don't understand this website. It says building type, duplex, fourplex.
And ours shows 5 units, 2 buildings, right?
I was on it, but I just switched to this one. Really
Sorry, I
not.
gotta fucking Joshi Devandra.
I wanted to put the, I need to do directions. What's the address?
So I mean, look, selling at 300, it's a 11.79% return. My goal here for this property is to sell it like basically sight unseen, or on just like one showing. Why would I say such a thing? Well, I mean, it's 5 tenants. It's going to be a little tricky to get multiple showings. So my idea is to price it so well that somebody's like, fuck it.
And just snatch it up.
Snatch it.
What I'm thinking is that to sell this, we'll probably go through other wholesalers or other people in the market there that have multiple investors. So, like, I just wanted there to be enough meat on the bone for them to,
Got it.
you know what I mean?
Yeah. When I spoke to my Tampa guy, Brett, I don't know if you were around when we tried to do some deals with Brett. He originally said like, oh, like it probably could sell at 330, but it's a little bit of a stretch. And then when I told him about it, he said, oh, I think at 305, it should sell pretty well. So I'm thinking we price it under 305 to give the wholesalers a lot of room. The possibility for reduction is slim to none. Obviously, I'll try, given the circumstance, but I mean, I'll probably try regardless, but I'm just kind of giving you like a little heads up. It's taken him fucking months just to beat him up a little bit. I'm sure once we get later in the process and he sees we're serious, maybe if we put deposit and shit, I might be able to knock off a couple thousand, but it won't be anything substantial.
So this thing sold for 325. But I don't know. I still can't figure out what it is.
What's the address, Lou?
707 20th Ave S. Maybe put it in 20th Ave S. Kind of like down the street.
Okay. $325. KW Pinellas Properties. There's no pictures here. Let's see the street view. Oh, it won't show us the street view. Details. What happened?
Maybe try there in MLS.
In the Tampa MLS?
Yeah.
Oh, this thing go. I don't know why it fucking. Damn it. Damn it. Whoa. Okay. So let me put. So I should probably search residential because it shows up as a 2-bedroom. Let me go here.
On the property appraiser, it shows up as Property use is same exact as his. Apartment house, boarding house. 5 to 9 units.
Okay. Sold. Okay, here. 360. Okay, cash results. So which was his? Oh, but I just have to search.
The property use shows up as the same as this guy's, which is apartment house, boarding house. 5 to 9 units.
So to search the property, I just put it here.
Yeah, but you're probably gonna have to search commercial. Go to search, commercial.
And then how do I see this listing?
If you hit map, if it was active, it would show up. But there's nothing active there.
Yeah.
Well, if you want to click criteria and go back to sold. No, back there. Hit back. Yeah. Go to sold. But whatever, last year. With 365. I don't know if it was listed or not.
Yeah. No. Yeah, I mean, it's just a property with no comp. So, basically, we got to go a lot off here. So, I mean, I guess we just got to think of this more as like a business thing instead of like a comparable type of thing. Unfortunately, so right now, Rodrigo, Adrian, you guys start calling buyers tomorrow on this thing in Tampa or wholesalers. What would be their objections? Like, why wouldn't they buy, or why wouldn't they jump on this, or why wouldn't they send this to their buyers, or why would nobody, buy this place?
The area is just too bad.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't know the area that well, but maybe something that would say the cap rate is not high enough for that area. Well, you're talking about the 11% or so return, Raul, is that cap rate?
Yeah, that is after expenses.
Yeah, which is sounds like a pretty good cap rate, but there's some areas they're bad enough, but people want maybe 12, 13 caps, but.
Yeah, so but that's
selling.
selling at 300. I mean, we haven't chosen the price yet. If we sell at 295,
Okay.
you know what I'm saying? Like then we're at 11.98. So if you want to be at 12, like at 293, we're at 12%.
Yeah, but that's us selling it to direct investor, though.
That's us and direct investor, yeah. Yeah.
At that amount, it would be how much? 13%?
What happened?
At that price that you have there, it would be 13% cap?
12.
Oh,
Right here, 12.
And that's putting $15,000 worth of work in. So
Yeah, which technically you don't need to do it right now. You could defer the maintenance, but.
and you have it at 276.
275.
Yeah.
5?
Yeah.
We have it at 276, I think. I put 275?
6. You put 6.
Yeah, 276. That's how much I have. So yeah, I mean, or what price would you guys think it's
You
like?
need any sort of feel for the interior at all on the phone with him?
Yeah, I asked him about every single unit, and he said no, all of them have been rehabbed. I manage this thing myself. I change all the kitchens, all the AC works. Everything's Section 8 ready. He's just like a very sharp, savvy guy. So, and then I was curious. I was like, man, why haven't you listed it? Like, why would you sell it to me? Like I basically asked him those questions, and he said, well, you got me at the right time. Like I could list it and stuff, but it's gonna take me a while, and I really need the money to finish a project I'm doing on the water. It's like over $2 million. He told me these were his exact words. He goes, "My life has changed. I used to drive a pickup truck. Now I drive a Ferrari. I'm on to bigger, better things. So I don't have time to deal with these tenants and these people. So I just want to sell it." This is literally his exact words.
Gotcha. Yeah, it's like a bird.
So, I mean, he knows what he has. I mean, I don't know the value 100%, to be honest. I think if you list this thing at 330, you'll get action on the MLS.
All CBS, right?
All CBS, yeah.
No pictures. We don't have any pictures of the inside, right?
The only ones on the inside are from the listing, the previous listing, which are here. They're not very good, but like you see, you got like this one,
And it's got separate meters for all units? Oh.
Yeah, separate meters, wall units, separate FPL, and separate water. I believe. Let me see. Cause I took a picture of the thing. I believe he pays water. Hold on. Let me find the picture that I took. I think he pays water of 250 per month because I wrote it down here. Yeah, everything blocked.
How'd you originally get in contact with him?
He was just in our database. I was just calling old leads and Freedom Soft. Like I went to all the tasks that haven't been done from Vanessa and Barbie, and I was just calling one by one. And yeah, just went through the script. Hey, I know we spoke a while ago. Did you want to sell? Do you still want to sell, by the way? Yeah. I mean, I'm interested. Cool. Then I just follow the script. I'm like, look, our process is simple. It takes about 5 to 7 minutes. I can give you an offer. Is this something? Actually, no. Lewis spoke to him, right?
Yeah.
Lewis spoke to him. How'd you find him?
Julio.
Oh, Julio cold called him from our database.
Yeah. No.
Yeah, so Lewis spoke to him, and then he said, "Yo, Raul, call him and make him an offer." So then I was like,
"Oh, this is Julio's deal."
Technically, yeah. Technically, Julio got it from the dead.